G'day guys, I hope you're having a fantastic day. It's Suarez Food. I'm going to show you these noodles that I've tried before. This is my first episode. I'm going to let you guys in on it, and they're fantastic. So stay tuned. I hope you subscribe to my channel, and we'll get started pretty soon. So stay tuned for that. Okay, so it's my first channel, so I'm going to be doing a couple of foods. I'm in Australia, so I'm going to go different restaurants, and I'm going to show you guys what kind of restaurants we have here in Australia. But before I do that, I'm going to show you these noodles. I don't know if you guys can see it. These are fantastic. I've tried one yesterday. They're very, very hot. Okay, the 3 times of the spice of it, so they're very nice, and this is what they look like just off the packet. Okay, so I'm going to cook one now, and I'm going to show you what they taste like and how hot they are. They're very, very hot, and I like them. So I mean, I'm into a bit of spicy food, so but yeah, I'm going to cook it now, and I'll show you what it's all about. It's been about 5 minutes, so let's see if we can stir it up. Give it 1 more minute, and it's good to go. Okay, now I'm going to drain the water. Drained all the water out. Okay, there's the noodle. Come with me, and I'll get a bowl. I'll get a big bowl. Okay, use a big bowl. Okay, so put the noodles in there. It's only 1 packet, it's only a little one. Okay, so I'll add the sprinkles. Okay, so it looks like seaweed and breadcrumbs, and now I'm going to add the chili. So okay, add the chili. Okay, once I add that, now I'll just mix it up. Okay, it's a bit hot. Okay, so I've got my bowl here, and with those noodles. So yeah, I'm going to try it and see what all the fuss is about. So apparently they said it's the hottest noodles ever. So as I said, these are the packet. If you guys can see it there, these are the packet. They said it's 3 times the spice. So let's try it, and like it didn't take long to cook anyway, so yeah, they look not too bad, and it tastes not too bad. It's like it's got a tomato sauce sort of. So let's try it and we'll see what happens. Okay. Get a big piece. Okay, it's not bad. It's got a bit of, it's got chili, and yeah, I can feel it. Look, I love chilies, and I'm used to it. So it's got a bit of a spice to it. So it's pretty hot. People that are used to it, yeah, they won't like it. So, but I'm used to chili, so it's okay for me. It's nice. I can't. The flavour. The noodles are soft. It's got a tomato flavour to it. The chili is like, once you have a bite, it's like bang, it's already hitting you. It's not like your normal chili that you have jalapenos. You bite, it's got a nice taste to it. It takes a while to get the chili, but at the moment now, the chili's overpowered me. So it's pretty strong. So, but I'm gonna go for another bite. It's very nice. Just the texture. That's what I love about it. The chili is very strong, but the texture is incredible. Like I said, guys, don't be scared. Sorry, go and try one. You can buy these at your local Asian store, and they're very nice. And trust me, you'll agree. If you like chili like me, you'll like it. Yeah, very nice. The problem is very hot, but I can't stop eating it. It's got a bit of that other packet, the white one. It's got a bit of seaweed, and they look like you know, the bread seeds. They look like that. So, but beautiful. Nice. Okay. Whew, I finished it. Okay. So, very good. The taste. Excuse me. Just you get running nose. Taste is excellent. Very hot. Like you guys are not used to the hotness, so I don't recommend you guys to have it, but you know what, it's very good. I'm gonna get a drink of Coke. So yeah, they're very nice. Like I said, the taste is good. I'm used to hot food, but this is very powerful. So as I said, out of 10, I'll probably give them probably 7 out of 10. Okay, so look at the name. Okay, they're very nice. Go and try it and see how you go. They're very hot, and hope you guys can stand the heat. Don't forget, 3 times the spice, so they're pretty good. Alright guys, thank you for watching, Don't forget to subscribe on my channel. There's going to be more episodes coming up. I'm going to show you different restaurants in Australia, and you get to know what's all about in Australia and all the different restaurants. So take it easy and see you guys next time. See you later.